I got a video of my little baby. I'll just make one because there's batteries upstairs anyways. Don't.
Sorry.
Making a video. Stop it. Oh, lonely little bear. Christy, come back. Christy. Come back, girlie.
Get her out of the kitchen, honey. We're busy.
Come on, Christy. Come on. Come here. Christy, come here.
Yeah, get out of the kitchen.
Christy. You silly little goose. Come here. Get out of there.
Ow.
Say cheese. Can you, like, play with your toy? Don't do it. Stay.
Why don't you guys take all their toys? Mommy. What is that? Oh, Morgan. You guys.
Christy, come on.
Okay, get out of the chair. Fix it. Okay, grab all their toys and grab them. I'm going to put them in their room and try to slip them in there.
Come on, Christy. Let's go. Christy, come on. No, bring them in. Come on, you two. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Let's go. Yep.
We're coming. We're coming. Oh. Oh, good boy, Matt. Good boy. Christy, come on. Whoa. This video is going off.
Oh, you want to play?
I'm going to play
Here,
together.
can you put that over beside the water, please? Kibble!
Oh, Christy, you're so cute like that. Oh. Throw it.